Hi, let's start this. So, this question is actually from CAT 2004 paper. If you look at the data, it's about universities and different countries. So, you need to match them that which university belongs to which country. Now, if you look at the data, how many countries are there? 5 countries are there and 8 universities are there. Professor Singh has been tracking the number of visitors to his homepage. His service provider has provided him with the following data on the country of origin of the visitors and the university they belong to. Okay, but it's not given that university 1 belongs to which country or university 2 belongs to which country, so you'll have to match it. The data given is about what? Number of visitors to his homepage. For example, if you look at the first table, it's about what? Canada. Day 1, there were 2 students from Canada, and day 2, 0, day 3, 0. Similarly, if you look at University 1, there was 1 student from University 1 on day 1. Day 2, there was 0. Day 3, there was 0. So if you look at the tally here, this is 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1. That makes 7. So this should also be 7. 1 plus 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 students visited the website on which day? Day 1. Similarly, day 2 you can have the total. Now, how do we solve it? Let's look at the question first. To which country does University 5 belong? University 5, day 1, how many visitors? 1. Day 2, 0. Day 3, 0. So if you look at any other country, day 1, 0, day 2, 0, you cannot solve it in this way. Let's read the data again. And if you look at the data, on day 3, there were 2 visitors from UK. Look at this one. Day 3, there were 2 visitors from UK and 1 visitor from USA. That means on day 3, overall there were 3 visitors. And similarly, if you look at this university column, there were 2 visitors from University 4 and 1 visitor from University 6. So can we say University 4 is located in UK? Look at this one. 2 visitors from UK on day 3 and day 3, 2 visitors from University 4. That means this University 4 is located in UK. Similarly, if you look at University 6, 1 visitor. Day 3, there was only 1 visitor. And if you look at this column of day 3, 1 visitor was from US. So we can say that University 6 is located in which country? USA. I hope this is clear. Similarly, if we look at the column of day 2, there was 1 visitor from University 3 and 2 visitors from University 8. And if you look at this column, there were 2 visitors from India on day 2 and 1 visitor was from Netherlands. So can we say University 8? Look at this one. 2 visitors. This is also 2. So can we say University 8 is located in India? So this becomes India. And if you look at day 2, University 3, 1 student belongs to University 3 and on day 2, 1 student came from Netherlands. That means this University 3 belongs to which one? I hope Netherlands. So I'm sure about these 4 universities, that is University 3, 4, 6 and 8. Okay. Now look at the day 2, again day 2. 1 visitor was from Netherlands, fine. 1 visitor from University 3, so Netherlands and University 3, I can match it. Then the total number of visitors from USA on day 1, if you look at the total number of visitors from USA on day 1 is 1, and on day 3 is also 1. So University 6, look at this one, 1 and 1, this will match here. So University 6 belongs to USA. And the number of visitors from University 6 on day 1 is also 1. So no other university belongs to USA because I have already assigned 2 students of USA to University 6. What else can be determined from here? Okay. Now let's look at the total number of visitors from UK on day 1. This is UK. Day 1 is 2. Day 1 is 2. And if you look at this column, day 1, 2 from university 2 and 2 from university 7. 2 from university 2 and 2 from university 7. Okay. We have already observed that university 4 belongs to UK. University 4 belongs to UK. But from university 4, the number of visitors on day 1 is 0. Number of visitors on day 1 is 0. That means from university 2 and university 7, this one, if you look at this one, 2 and this 2, and I have to match this 2 also. So from university 2 and university 7, one belongs to UK and the other belongs to Canada, because I can see 2 here also. So I need to match this 2 and this 2 with these 2 2s. So university 2 or 7, they belongs to Canada and UK in any order. So what I can write here, university 2 belongs to Canada or UK. University 2 belongs to Canada or UK. Similarly, the next one is what? University 7, this one. This belongs to either UK or Canada. So I left with only 2 universities, that is 5 and 1. Okay, 5 and 1. So what can be said about 5 and 1? If you look at the total number of visitors from India on day 1, total number of visitors from India on day 1 is 1, and university 1, the number of visitors is also 1. University 5, the number of visitors is also 1. Same is the case with Netherlands, 1 1. I need to match this 1 1 with university 1 and university 5. So I am not sure, so I can say that there will be 2 cases. University 1 belongs to either India or Netherlands. Similarly, this will become Netherlands or India. So I'm sure about how many universities. I'm sure about university 3, university 4, university 6 and university 8. That's it. The remaining there will be some cases, 2 cases will be there. Now, if you look at the question number 1, can we answer that question? To which country does university 5 belong? This is university 5. It belongs. I'm not sure. My answer would be either Netherlands or India. So if you look at the options, India or Netherlands, but not USA. So answer becomes first option. I hope this is clear. Let's look at the next question. University 1 can belong to. University 1 can belong to. If you look at the solution here, University 1 can belong to either India or Netherlands. Now India or Netherlands option, there is only one option, that is Netherlands. So University 1 can belong to Netherlands. So my answer becomes which option? 3. Okay. Let's look at the third question. Visitors from how many universities from UK? This is UK. Visitors from how many universities from UK visited Professor Singh's homepage in 3 days? In 3 days. Fine. If you look at the solution here, visitors from UK. This one. These 2 and these 2. Okay. What's the question? Visitors from how many universities from UK visited Professor Singh's homepage in the 3 days? I have assigned UK to how many universities? You can see this one. This one, University 2 can be from UK, and I'm sure about University 4 also. I'm sure about University 4 also. So in that case, your answer becomes 2. There were 2 universities from UK from where the students visited the homepage. Okay, let's look at the last question. Which among the listed countries can possibly host 3 of the 8 listed universities? Now, if you look at this table, none of the countries will have 3 universities. India, how many cases? This one and this one. 2 possibilities. Canada, there is only 1 possibility. Netherlands, there will be 2 possibilities, University 1 and University 3, or University 5 and University 3. Similarly, for UK, there are 2 possibilities. USA, there is only 1 possibility. So in that case, what should be the answer? Which among the listed countries can possibly host 3 of the 8 listed universities? My answer should be hope this is clear. Thank you.